Tag Heuer's iconic watch, the Monaco, was first designed in 1969. Since then, the square shape has not changed, but this particular model, the V4, is a shining example of elaborating on an original design and creating a piece of horology history. The V4 Monaco is a rare watch driven by two patented technologies, both visible in the working mechanism and an approach by Tag Heuer that represents the avant-garde spirit. Creating a watch that includes two patented technologies is no easy task. The first notable difference with this automatic watch is the tungsten ingot that slides up and down. This effectively moves with the wearer's motion to power the watch. Another visual difference that is part of the patented technology is four barrels set at a slight V angle. Much like the cylinders of a V6 or V8 engine, this is the inspiration behind the V4 name. The power in the watch is transmitted in special belts as opposed to traditional cogs. This means there is less friction in the movement for better longevity and timekeeping. Each of the 5 tiny belts can support a weight of 40 kilos. Crafted from surgical grade steel with square beveled sapphire crystal on both the front and back of the case, the look of the watch is completed with a black alligator strap with folding buckle. Presented in a beautiful presentation case, the watch comes with a 2-year international guarantee. This extremely rare piece is number 10 of just 100 produced worldwide, and this is the only one available to purchase from new in the UK and worldwide. You can check out our listing of this special watch via the link in the description, and for all the latest watch and jewellery releases, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.